I found another pickup on Facebook Marketplace.
What do you mean another pickup?
Well, somebody sent it to me. It's only $700. It's a bump side, and we don't have any bump sides, so, and it's like the patina on it's really cool. It's blue.
We don't need any bump sides. We don't got nowhere to put nothing.
I know, but it's only $700. And then like it gives me an excuse to like run up there and try to make that deal with that Bronco, that 79 that I was trying to get Matt talked into.
The Bronco that we also don't have any room for.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. But come on, like, I think it's a good idea. So,
all right, when you going?
Probably today. I'm gonna go hook up and take off.
Today?
Yeah.
Well, Jesus.
Well, that way I can be back before the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're gonna put them, but I guess we'll figure something out.
Well, we'll figure something. It's like I don't know how to pass it up.
$700 is a good deal, but it
I'll
better be a nice
I'll send you
truck.
pictures. As soon as you see the pictures, you'll be like, yeah, okay, I'm on board. I
Does
guarantee
it run?
No.
God's sake.
Sorry. All right, we just got this 1972 Ford loaded up, and we're in love with this girl. She looks great. We got all wet. It's been raining and muddy, but it's all worth it. Now we're gonna head an hour and a half south to go get us a 79 Bronco. Look at this sweetheart we just picked up. This is a 1979 Ford Bronco, and it has a 429 Mercury engine in it, big block. And inside and out, this thing is just glorious and wonderful, and there's absolutely no rust on it. So what did we do? Well, we found us some Montana sunshine and a gravel road and brought it out here to let it show off. We got the 72 Ford and the 79 Bronco all loaded up, and we're ready to say goodbye to Montana and go back to St. George, Utah. Okay, we just got back to St. George. It's like 116 today. It's probably about, I don't know, 110 right now. And we just got back from Montana, where it was like 45 degrees and raining, and I had to wear a hoodie, and it got soaking wet, but it was totally worth it. And on the way there, we came up with this crazy idea for this pickup. I mean, I was just gonna go buy it anyway, just because it was too cool. But when we got up there, discovered that this guy had a whole junkyard full of like hundreds and hundreds of old cars from the 1920s all the way up to like the 70s. And like, I was just blown away how much stuff was there. But the thing that sold me on this pickup is its crazy patina. It's rusty, 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 but yet it's not rusted through anywhere. And it's got like the old number here, 107, and it's got the old decal here that was painted on. I think it's some bridge building company, Murphy and Supply or something like that. And which is really cool, you know, when you're trying to go for the patina. But what we decided to name this is Rusty Rick. We'll have Johnny Rev, which you've all seen, which is like insane crazy, and Rusty Rick. They'll be the dynamic duo. They're like brothers from another mother almost, you know. But the whole plan with this is that we're gonna do this as a budget build, an entry-level build. And we want you guys at home to go get your dad's old pickup, your grandpa's old pickup from that's out in the barn or the back pasture, go buy the neighbor's pickup for $700. And we want you to follow along, and we want you to get them running, get them back on the road. And we're gonna show you guys, we're gonna do a small series, and we'll do step-by-step the process to figure out how, you know, to check the oil and do different things to get these running. For example, this one here is, first thing I had to do is figure out how to open the hood the other day, and then I had to spray WD-40 here on the hinges to get it to open because it's pretty rusty. But we got a 351 in here, small block Ford, and we'll go through it and we'll show you how to tell if it's a Windsor or a Cleveland, or if it's like a 390 or a 360 or a 302 or a 460. This one is a 351, and we'll show you step by step what to do. This one, it's missing the steering column, and I think that must have broke, and then they parked the pickup, and then they never finished it, or never did anything with it to fix it. And so all the stuff's complete on the engine, which is a really, really good sign. All the hoses, the belts, everything. So it makes me feel that like this engine's good, it's solid. It's got good oil in it. They didn't park it because of the engine, they parked it because of the steering column. So we'll find a new steering column, and we'll clean this all up, get the rat turds off of it. I mean, there's rat turds everywhere in this thing. Over here inside, as you can see, it's also full of rat nest and turds, and it's gross. But we'll clean it out, and then I got the local upholstery shop. I've already talked to them because it just got excited and found a whole cowhide on sale for dirt cheap. It's like 139 bucks. And I'm gonna have them wrap this seat in the cowhide, and we'll do some leather. And then like on the front, we're gonna get some Longhorns and put on there. We'll put some CB antennas on here and a CB in here and make it look like back in the 70s, you know, and we're gonna piece by piece get this thing, first of all, running. Then we'll find some tires and wheels off Facebook Marketplace. So everything's gonna be cheap, and get it running, going down the road. And then later, we'll put an upgraded camshaft in it. Maybe we'll pull the heads off, and we'll figure out how to, you know, port them out with a Dremel tool, you know. We'll just do it on ourselves. And we'll get this thing running. We'll find some long tube headers for it. We'll make it loud. I mean, you can see the exhaust as we drove here, hauling it back. The exhaust slowly like fell down. It's got some old glass pack on there, but we'll fix that. And we'll make this thing a tire shredder for sure. We'll mutilate these tires. We'll make it loud, we'll make it frickin' burn rubber. We'll take it to some truck shows, and we'll put it in the burnout box. We'll have some fun with it. If we throw a rod through the block, we'll just go find us another engine off Facebook Marketplace or something cheap. One of these other project builds has a leftover 460. Maybe if this engine's bad, we'll grab that engine and stick in there. But the whole point is to start, you know, entry level, and we'll just go step by step. First of all, get it running. Second of all, we'll slowly make it cooler and cooler and better and faster. And eventually we'll have something, you know, we can be really, really proud of. But we want you guys at home to follow along and build yours with us. Get excited, go find you a build, and let's do it.